Hi, I'm Sherrod Brown. It's a privilege to serve you in the United States Senate. Thank you to Reimagine Appalachia and everyone here today for the important work you're doing across our state. Ohioans know how important manufacturing is. A crucial part of that is the auto industry. It's the engine that drives manufacturing, providing good paying middle class jobs. But for decades, we've had bad trade and tax policy that ship manufacturing jobs overseas. We're finally starting to change that. Just this year, with a new president and a new Senate, we're starting to change that. Just this year, we've had job in manufacturing, good job in manufacturing news for Ohio. Intel, GE Aviation, Hyperion. We're finally burying the term Rust Belt. Our charge is to build on those investments, make sure we're building out supply chains in every region, including Appalachia. We know that the climate crisis is real and it threatens our communities in Ohio. It threatens Lake Erie, it threatens key infrastructure, it threatens people's energy bills. In addition to the state bribery scandal, people's energy bills continue to go up because of that and other things. It's already causing changes in the global economy. American industry, American workers cannot this time be left behind. Appalachia knows what it's like to be left on your own and ignored by Washington, by big investors, and by big industry. It's a crucial time that we position our state, all of Ohio, to be a leader in auto manufacturing and transportation of the future. Last year, we passed the bipartisan infrastructure law. It's an infrastructure bill, it's a jobs bill, it makes historic investments in roads and bridges and water and sewer and public transit and broadband and, yes, in electric vehicles. Plenty of politicians of both parties, presidential candidates of both parties especially, have talked about infrastructure. With this president in this new Senate, we finally got it done. The infrastructure law will create manufacturing jobs up and down the supply chain in construction jobs in every county, every township in Appalachia. Senator Portman and I worked together to include the strongest ever Buy America rules. No American dollar, no so American tax dollars. If American tax dollars involved, American jobs should grow. No more American bridges made from Chinese steel. We rebuild our bridges, we replace our lead pipes, we construct other critical infrastructure, all using American-made steel and iron and other materials. We're building out the American electric vehicle supply chain, investing $18 billion for EV charging, clean transit buses, and other climate-focused investments. Good environmental policy is good jobs policy. Every component of a clean economy that we can build in America, every solar panel, every wind turbine, EV, all of it means more work for Ohio. I continue to push to make sure Ohio workers are at the center of this policy, that they get the training they need to secure good paying middle class jobs in an industry like electric vehicle production and maintenance. These high quality jobs should pay prevailing wages, and people should work in safe and healthy workplaces. Workers should have a free and fair choice to organize and join a union and bargain collectively with their employers. By strengthening our infrastructure, by electrifying America, by making things here in our state, we create jobs to build a middle class. We stimulate the economy, we protect our environment, we help revitalize Appalachian Ohio. And with these manufacturing investments and the infrastructure law, we make this a reality. Thank you for being part of the solution.